Hey guys, it's me. I just found out or just figured out based on a couple emails that I got that the directions are pretty unclear or it's hard to do some of the stuff that we're being asked to do this week on the algebra assignment. So I'm going to walk you through something that will help you complete the assignment on DESMOS. Of course, for each of the problems, you have to solve an equation, and you end up with an ordered pair. But let's show you how to plot those on DESMOS and connect them so that you can get a figure that we're looking for. So, of course, you go to desmos.com and you click Start Graphing. Over here, you want to do Add Item, and you want to add a table so that each of your points, each of your problems becomes a point on the table. So let's say that my first answer was 2, 3. So it plots that point for me. And then my next one was 5, 7. And let's say 3, -8. I don't know. I'm just making up these numbers. Okay. Then, in order to graph them, in order to connect them, what you do is you go to the little green thing over Y1 and you click it and hold it. And as you click it and hold it, you'll get this dialog screen. And we want to add lines. So I'm going to now click that and add lines, and it connects the points for me. The other thing you can do is you can change the color of points and all of that. That's fun. But the last thing that you can do also is you can set them up to drag the points, which I think is kind of cool. So just in case you did a problem wrong, you could go to that problem and move it over like that to someplace you wanted it to be. So I hope that helps you complete the activity on DESMOS. If not, please submit some more questions and I'll see if I can answer them. Thank you. Bye.